In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with built-in dashboards on Monday.com, step by step. If you've been managing projects, sales pipelines, or team tasks and want a visual way to track everything in one place, dashboards are exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a dashboard, connect your boards, and add powerful widgets to visualize your data. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity guides. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to create a new dashboard. Log into your Monday.com account and look at the left-hand sidebar. In the sidebar, click on Dashboards. This is where all your existing dashboards live. At the top of the page, click on the button that says Plus New Dashboard. A window will pop up asking you to name your dashboard. Choose a clear and descriptive name based on your goal. For example, you could call it Project Overview, Sales Insights, Marketing Performance, or Team Performance. Pick something that makes it obvious what this dashboard is tracking. Next, you'll need to choose the dashboard type. You'll see options like Main, Private, or Shareable. A main dashboard is visible to everyone in your account. A private dashboard is only visible to you and selected users. A shareable dashboard is great if you want to share insights with external clients or collaborators. Select the option that fits your needs, then click Create Dashboard. Just like that, your new dashboard is ready. Now let's connect boards to your dashboard. Inside your new dashboard, you'll see an option that says Connect Boards. Click on it. Monday.com dashboards pull data from boards, so this step is essential. A list of your available boards will appear. Select the boards you want your dashboard to use as data sources. For example, you might choose your project tracking board, your sales CRM board, or your task management board. After selecting the relevant boards, confirm your choice and add them to the dashboard. Give it a few moments while the system loads the data. Once it's done, your dashboard is now connected and ready to display insights from those boards. The final step is adding widgets. Widgets are what bring your dashboard to life. At the top of the dashboard, click plus Add Widget. You'll see a variety of built-in widgets you can choose from. Some of the most popular ones include charts for visual graphs, numbers for key metrics, workload to see team capacity, gantt for timeline views, battery for progress tracking, and table for a structured data overview. Click on any widget that matches what you want to display. After selecting a widget, you'll be prompted to choose the data source. Select the connected board and then choose the specific columns the widget should use. For example, a chart widget might use a status column, a date column, or a numbers column. You can also apply filters to narrow down the data. Filter by date ranges, specific team members, statuses, or any other relevant criteria. This helps you create focused, meaningful insights instead of cluttered reports. Once everything looks good, click Save to add the widget to your dashboard. You can repeat this process to add multiple widgets and rearrange them however you like. Drag and resize them to create a layout that makes sense for your workflow. Over time, your dashboard becomes a powerful command center where you can track progress, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions at a glance. And that's how you get started with built-in dashboards on Monday.com. Create your dashboard, connect your boards, add widgets, and customize your view. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.